Hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gabby here today with an awesome toned legs and round booty workout with the assist of a chair. All right, so let's get into it. Our first exercise is going to be a chair squat. So we're gonna go ahead in front of our chair, 30 seconds, and like it sounds, going into a squat, slightly tapping the chair and then coming right up. So we're not laying back and resting, okay? So using that core to stay balanced, a little tap, and then up, squeezing your butt, squeezing those thigh muscles, all right? Down, tap, up, very good. Nice straight back, shoulders are pushed away from your ears, proud chest, chin is up, all right? Breathing, tight core, good posture, and have some fun. And 3, 2, 1, go ahead, hold right over the chair, hold, and coming up, very good. Next, we're doing a take on a burpee, so like a modified burpee, but with a chair. This is super interesting and fun, and great place to start if you're nervous about burpees or not your favorite, okay? So go ahead, stand, we're gonna reach up, all right, and then you're gonna come down, kind of sit on the chair, not put all of your weight. You're gonna tap the floor. All right, so you have balance here. If you're ever nervous about this or have difficulty folding forward, boom. And then coming back up. All right, you can add the jump if you'd like. Or if you're comfortable with burpees, go ahead, ditch the chair and do the full thing. You can go on a calf raise as well instead of just reaching or jumping. Calf raise to reach down. Very good. And 3, 2, 1, and standing up. Very, very good. I love that take on burpees. It's a great place to start or just to switch it up, all right? So coming to the back of your chair, we have donkey kicks. All right, 30 seconds one side, holding onto the back of the chair for support, straight arms, knee comes up, and we're kicking back, and then coming to that bent knee again, and repeat, very good. Now the chair helps you keep an upright position, so we're not, scrouching like this. Straight arms, chest is up, all right, just focusing on that leg, squeezing as we straighten, squeezing your bum, really feeling it here, coming back, tight tummy, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and switch, other side. Breathing in your nose, out your mouth, delivering oxygen to those beautiful muscles, very good. Flexed foot. You can do this at your countertop when you're in the kitchen, if you're waiting for something to heat up or cook. This is something I like to do to keep the booty tight throughout the day, very good. And 3, 2, 1, and together, very good. Next, we're doing a calf raise squat. I'm gonna give you 2 variations here. So you can go up on your calf and then come down to your squat, lower the heels and stand, or the opposite. Go into the squat first, calf raise, and then stand. All right, so 2 different ways to do it. You can do it differently this time. So this time we can start with this. Calf raise, squat, down, and then the second set we can do the other one. And then the third set, you choose which one you like the most. Using your chair for support. Very good, keeping your chin up. Calf raise, squat while you stay in that calf raise, and then lower the heels, stand. Very good, one more. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Last but not least, we're doing a front lift hold, all right? So using that chair for support, or if you feel like you have your balance, go ahead, hold onto your hip, and up, straight, and hold right there. All right, really focusing on your posture, nice tight core, straight leg, very good. Chin up. Starting to feel the burn. You got this, challenge yourself, hold it, breathe. And 3, 2, 1. Lower down, other side. Nice flex foot. That's going to help you engage your muscles a little bit more. Very good. Breathe through. You got this. All right, and it could be a little bit lower, a little bit higher. All right. Everyone's different. You can start a little bit lower and then go higher, push yourself, and then kick up. 3, 2, 1, and down. Very good. Set 1 done and dusted. Right on to set 2. Big breath. Starting with our chair squat. 30 seconds. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and straighten. Very good. Modified chair burpees. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and straighten. Very good. To the back of your chair. Donkey kicks. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, together, and switch. And 3, 2, 1, together. Very good. Calf raise squat. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Front, right, front lift, hold. Almost there. You got this. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Kick up and down. Very good. Other side. And 3, 2, 1, kick up and down. Very good. 2 sets done and dusted. 1 more to go. Big breath. And 3, 2, 1. Hold, 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 and straighten. Very good. Modified chair burpees. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, and straighten. Very good. To the back of your chair. Donkey kicks. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, together, and switch. And 3, 2, 1, together. Very good. Calf raise squat. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Front lift, hold. Almost there. You got this. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1, kick up and down. Very good. Other side. And 3, 2, 1, kick up and down. And there we have it, 3 sets of your leg and booty with a chair workout. I hope you loved it, something different. I really enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Tell me what your favorite move was, where are you tuning in from, and I really hope to see you on the next one. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.